Okie doke, day 2. The boys are clocking in, doing their duties. You see a lovely hotel. Little ship. Matthew, Simon, Boxer Dan, Mark and Aid. Pacing. And I'm shaking because it's bloody cold. Right, Lee?
It's not Lee.
How are you feeling, Lee?
It's the human cannonball.
It's the human synchronized swimmer.
It's still wet with sweat from last night.
Put it back on.
It's not good.
Here we are. How are you feeling?
Strong.
Good man.
Strong like an ox. Show me the hill.
Strong like an ox.
Show me the hill.